What inspired this? Some people have had conversations with me talking about how they admire my work, what I do, and everything that goes into it. And I thought about it like, okay, it would be nice to make a video talking about what goes on behind the scene, how I create one particular video, break it down from when the video was an idea to how I filmed the video, how I edit the video, and how I finally post the video. For people that don't know about YouTube like that, you cannot just record a video and throw it on YouTube. So in this video, I'll take you through that entire process, what you need to do before you post a video, how I post any particular video. A disclaimer here is that for now that I'm filming this video, I am just a solo creator. Most of my videos are done by me. My makeup, my hair, everything put together is just me. I am going to film this video from that perspective. As the brand continues to grow, I will keep sharing with you how the platform is growing as well. So if you are interested in a topic like this, please watch till the end while I share with you. So do not forget to like this video as well and recommend it to anybody you know that this video is going to be helpful to. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Rex and I'm a content creator, spoken word poet, and a movie audio editor. Any video I put out here on my platform started as an idea. So sometimes ideas are conceptualized differently. Sometimes I come up with ideas, people close to me can come up with ideas, or maybe my partner can say, okay, I have this particular idea, I'd like you to talk about it. After that, I go and do research to make sure that whatever I'm saying does not sound flat, just to add to more of the point that I'm making. I made a video related to ChatGPT. I'm going to drop that video below the description box and also link it above the screen as well. That particular video of ChatGPT, if you have not watched it, I really recommend that you do, especially if you are somebody that plans to become a content creator. After researching to get more idea or get more familiar with any particular topic, the next thing straight is to plan how to film the video. So before I film any video, a lot goes into, first of all, what am I going to wear? How is my makeup going to look like? Where am I going to film? For those that have been watching my videos, I've used almost every part of my house to film videos because I enjoy life as variety. So I don't like to just stay in one particular place. I've been filming different angles. So far as I like how that particular video looks at the time I'm filming in that particular space, I just stay there, record my video and edit and post. Most of what I wear is inspired by the topic. So when I'm talking about something that is a lot more playful and relaxed, I dress that way as well. And I'm talking about something that is very serious, I try to dress the path because I believe that myself, that is the main subject, should look the path of whatever it is I'm saying. So then lately I've been using lots and lots of headbands. I have explained that in so many videos. Since I started recording with headbands, I like how they look, especially when I'm editing and when I'm watching myself on my TV. I like how it looks on me, and I told myself, at least let me just stick to using this for now, so far as it's working for me. So yeah, that's the whole idea behind my choice of outfits. Then my choice of makeup, I chose not to go for something very loud. So basically, I just put on my phone on my tripod and I just make the video that I'm making. Very simple, and life goes on. Yeah, after that, I go to edit. So I've been using DaVinci Resolve and CapCut for now to edit my video. So most times, if I film with my phone, I use my phone to do the first cut. Then I transfer it to my laptop and do the, final touch before I now export and upload sound. So for now, I'm using my Adobe Audition. So that for editing. The next thing I want to talk about is how I upload a video. A lot goes into that. First of all, the thumbnail. That one alone is something, especially for somebody like myself that just creates things with plain background. Just make sure that a lot of things are making that video look watchable, clickable, and appealing to viewers that will just see the thumbnail. So that's one. There's so many things, the title of the video, what I want to put in the description box. Then last but not the least, other things I need to fill out here and there so that YouTube recognizes what kind of video this is, and that way to help the algorithm to know where it's pushing the video to. So all that are very, very important. Then let's say you want to edit your thumbnail, you don't like what you have on your thumbnail. It's very easy. You just click on change or remove. That way you can edit your thumbnail and put whatever you feel is comfortable. Another thing again about that is that you can see displayed here that you can also test by putting 3 different thumbnails to see which one is good enough for YouTube to recommend for you. You know when people say, I'll drop a card above the screen, this is where you come to make that happen. You just click on any particular video of your choice and pin it where you want it to be, so that as you're talking, it's there for people to click on, pin that at the specific place you want that to be. So here you have options to put at least 5 videos, okay? So let's talk about end screen. End screen is more like that selected video that you want people to watch after watching a particular video that they just finished watching, a single video or in playlist. So that's where people can keep binge watching your videos and enjoy lots and lots of what you have created. And let me say that whatever I'm talking about here is my journey on YouTube. When it comes to other social media platforms, of course it varies, but today's video I'm dedicating it to how it is like on YouTube. Hashtags are very important, your topic and title important. So after you're done with everything, you can just check again. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Glory Rex. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Which part of this content was very interesting to you? Which one was an eye-opener? Let me know in the comment section. I'll make more interesting videos for you. Bear in mind that I want you to get a lot of things done easier, quicker and smarter. That is why I put out these videos for you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll see you guys there. Okay, bye.
Thank you, my crew. You're my starry sky, lifting me up, you make me fly. Every view, every like, you're my treasure chest.